Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I'm back with a real quick video about window washing. And I take my 2-compartment washing bucket and then also my squeegee washer deal. First I do is get it wet. Got to get it really wet with a little bit of soap and water, hot water preferably, but if you don't have it, cold water is fine. And then I just go at it with my 4-inch razor. I use different brands at different times. This is a Hyde razor, so they all work pretty good as long as they're 4-inch. You just grab the paint and then I throw it in the other compartment of the bucket. Half of it's filled with water and then half I put the paint residue in. So it's a handy little bucket there. And then I keep getting it wet. So I get it wet there and I start doing it, and then I'll do a little bit. And then sometimes I squeegee it again, even though I'm not finished scraping it all off, or sometimes take it off. This came off really easy actually, this one. That was the front part, and then there's a little side window here I do. Same thing, just get it wet, keep it wet, and then it comes right off. This side came off really easy because it had very little sun on it. So it was nice and it was quick. So that's about it. That's how I do it. So how do you wash your windows? Let me know in the comments section. And be sure to like, subscribe, and check out my Patreon if you're really into window painting. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.